Hi, welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating a vintage recording disc using Autodesk Maya. Follow these clear, step-by-step instructions to build your 3D model from scratch. Firstly, start by opening Maya software, then starting with the base, creating a disc. Delete that and switch to a cylinder. Then adjust height of cylinder to 0.1. And set the radius of cylinder to around 5, and add subdivision caps around 20. Adjusting the subdivision axis, and increasing the subdivision caps to 30. Then by selecting in between edges by double-clicking on the edges and by clicking Shift and close bracket button simultaneously, or you can go by manually clicking on every edges double times by keep pressing Shift button on your keyboard and follow as per the video shown. By keeping them select, add a bevel to them, a fraction 0.5 value. And then by select every beveled edges, by double clicking on every edge by holding Shift button on your keyboard simultaneously, by the same process we have done before. And, by extruding the selected edges by thickness value of 0.03. And there you go, congratulations, you have made the outer part or surface of the recording disc, which will be placed on the platter of the gramophone, or any other recording device. Then add another cylinder to the surface. And the height of the cylinder of value 0.2, and radius of the cylinder around the value of 3. Scale it down in Y-axis, and duplicate the middle both the cylinder, rotate and bring it down, so that it can be made as a double-sided recording disc. Duplicate it one by one and then adjust it. Adjust it as per the video. Look on both sides to see if it looks okay. Good. Now save it as per your desired location, in your PC or laptop or any other device, as per your use. See, your recording disc modeling is nearly over. You can do the adjustments as per your liking. Isolating the middle or center cylinder by clicking Ctrl and numpad 1 in your keyboard simultaneously. Now click on the mesh icon and select the smooth option. Then after hitting the smoothness on it, go to the same mesh icon and, now by selecting the box near retopologize, a panel will occur of retopologize options, and in face counts change the value around 1200 and hit retopologize. Go again to retopologize by same process, but now change the face count value by decreasing it around 800. Fresh transformations and delete history of the cylinder. Select the retopologized cylinder, and duplicate and rotate it to adjust the opposite side of our recording disc. There you go. Congratulations! Your vintage recording disc model is now complete. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover the texturing process. Leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.